Hey there, Mama. Do you have your ticket yet? If you are a homeschool mom and you're watching this, I want you to know something. There is an amazing experience happening this weekend in San Marcos, and you should be there. Do you know why? Because it was designed with you in mind. It's a special gathering of hundreds of homeschool moms. We're coming together to really share what is this experience like for you. Because for me, a little hard, a little challenging, a little frustrating. Or there's some celebrations. I'm graduating one this year. Or one has learned to read this year. But it's our unique experience as homeschool moms, and we want you there. It's going to be a time of laughter and fun and excitement and a little dancing. And it's also going to be a time for real conversation, honest sharing, relational help and support, prayer, gathering, friendships will be formed. I got to tell you, I went last year for the first time, and this year I'll be speaking. And I want you to know that I'm coming with some friends who have had amazing transformations in just 1 year. If you could use some transformation in your life, if you could use some girlfriends in your life, if you could use some fun in your life, pack your bags, girl. We want to see you in San Marcos. I look forward to seeing you there. When you come, would you come over and see me and give me a big hug? Because we're going to have the time of our lives together this weekend in San Marcos at the Homeschool Moms Winter Summit. I'll see you there.